About 230 million years ago, dinosaurs first appeared on planet Earth. They evolved from earlier reptiles and quickly diversified into a wide array of size and shape. There were many types and species of dinosaurs, including T-Rex, Aliramus, Spinosaurus, Diplodocus, Triceratops, Ankylosaurus. About 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck planet Earth. Upon impact, it triggered a series of other disasters in the surrounding area, resulting in the extinction of every creature in the vicinity. About 75% of dinosaurs were killed in this major catastrophe, while the remaining dinosaurs perished in subsequent events, such as tsunami, volcanic eruption, and dramatic cooldown of Earth's temperature. Thus, dinosaurs get extinct. Do you know humans can go extinct? Why? Because of climate change. Due to climate change, many calamities take place, such as flood. Climate change causes heavy rainfall. This rainfall overwhelms drainage systems and waterways, leads to water accumulation on streets, which results in flood. Drought. Climate change increases frequency and severity of drought. Lack of rainfall and intense heat reduce crop yield and stress ecosystem. Ice melt. Climate change causes ice melt, causing glacier and ice caps to break apart. Sea level rise. Melting icebergs cause sea level rise, which floods coastal areas and submerges everything in their path. Now, what causes climate change? It's mostly human actions, such as burning fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are hydrocarbons extracted from underground resources. Vehicles use them as their primary source of fuel. Factories use fossil fuels to run their machineries, and power plants use them to produce electricity. But when burned, these create greenhouse gases, which accelerates climate change. Deforestation. Deforestation is the large-scale clearing of forest, leading to loss of biodiversity and disruption of ecosystem. It significantly contributes to climate change by increasing carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. If this persists, one day there will be less fresh water, lower crop yield, many coastal areas will sink, many animals will lose their homes, and many lives will be lost. So, how to combat climate change? First of all, we should reduce the use of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are responsible for climate change, so we should limit our usage of fossil fuels. The less we use it, the less greenhouse gas we create. That should be our strategy. Secondly, we should use renewable energy. We can rely on solar energy as it's free and eco-friendly and does not cause any harm to environment. Another good option is to use wind energy. Wind turbines harness the power of wind to generate electricity, which can be deployed onshore and offshore. And finally, tree plantation. We have to plant more and more trees to combat climate change. Apart from this, we should raise awareness. Students can play a great role in this regard. If we do all that, we can fight and save ourselves as well as other creatures.